everyone, I'm Solomon, and today I'm going to make 2 demonstrations of the Rubik Cubic. So the first one is that I'm going to do all the colors. When I resolved the Rubik Cubic for the first time, I did it 13 minutes. But now I'm going to do the Rubik Cubic less than 1 minute and 30 seconds. Wow! Okay, so here I have my Rubik Cubic. It's not all very with colors. And now Abigail will turn on the timer. Okay, start. 3, 2, 1, go. I've been practicing a lot every day so I can learn. There are also some books of the Rubik Cubic that will be helpful for you to do all the colors. Okay, look. Okay, so I'm close to it almost. Okay, now almost about to finish, almost. Almost. Okay, now, so look, I did the Rubik Cubic. So look, so I did it like 1 minute and 36 seconds, look. But I did it almost every time. I did it like less than 1 minute and 30 seconds, but I did it good. Okay. Now, in the second demonstration, now this time I'm going to do the Rubik Cubic, not in all the colors, but this time one color, but this time in my feet. Did you know that there's many world champions that can do the Rubik Cubic in all the colors? Wow! Okay, so also like there was an inventor called Rubik that invented the Rubik Cubic in Hungary. Okay, so here's my Rubik Cubic, and Abigail, my little sister, will tell me a color so I can do the Rubik Cubic. Okay, now, Abigail, tell me a color. Yellow. Okay. The color yellow? Okay, now, 3, 2, 1, go. I've been practicing a lot of the Rubik Cubic in my feet, so I can be very good at it. And I practice a lot every day. Oh, okay. So I'm off to a good start. Okay. Green. Yes, okay, now this one next. Okay. I'm almost about to finish. Now I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm really almost about to finish. Okay. Done! Look! I did the Rubik Cubic, but not all the colors, but with my feet, with the yellow color, look, see? And look! the colors because I only did one color. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to learn all the colors of the Rubik Cubic, that would be a great idea. Bye! Thank you!